Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to order from Wetherspoon app. Now if you're using the Wetherspoon app for ordering food and drinks from your app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to order something from Wetherspoon app, then you must simply download the Wetherspoon app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, open the app on your device and make sure that you have enabled the location on your device. So after that, you may select the pub where you want to order from. So let's say it shows your nearest pub around, and also if you want to order it from a certain pub, you may also simply choose on the location from here. So I'll simply order it from the King's Head Hotel, and so click on the option of yes. It asks you for your location and it says are you here. So from here you need to enter your table number. So enter the table number and click on the option of continue, and here it shows you the variety of menu, so like breakfast, food, children breakfast, and also click on the option of food if you want to order. So let's say if I want to order some burgers, then I'll click on it and I'll click on the burger which I want to order. So let's say if I want to order this, and I'm also increase the quantity by clicking on the option of plus at the very bottom of the page. So you may increase by clicking on the option of very top right or at the very right side of the page, and here you'll see the option of select drink. So if you want to select drinks, you may select, or if you don't want, you may click on the option of no drink, and here you'll see the option of add to basket or buy now. So click on the option of buy now. You need to proceed to your payment. So to proceed, you may enter the email address and confirm the same email address by re-entering it again, and click on the option of next. So by doing this, it will take you to the payment page. Now you need to pay for your order and you will be simply receiving your order on the table. So that's it. That's how you can order from Wetherspoon app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.